Good morning.
You can do, Nana.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What I should start now?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Polyhybrid.
What, Nana?
So you told you'll extend polygenic cross.
Polygenic, huh? Okay.
Sir,
Nana.
sir, I had a doubt, sir.
Uh,
Sir, in
Ask.
page number 7, sir, of Akash.
I'm not having book.
So they gave in that back cross, TT, capital T, small t is crossed with homozygous dwarf part, capital T, capital T.
Wait. Bol ab.
Capital T, small t is crossed with homozygous dwarf part, capital T, capital T. Yes, sir.
This cross.
They gave capital T, sir.
Like this is back cross.
Acha, but dwarf na, sir.
Back cross. This is test cross.
Okay, so capital T and capital T will become dwarf in back cross.
Huh?
They gave as dwarf part capital T, sir.
Dwarf pata.
Yes, sir.
You change it. See, back cross means when a cross is made with F1 with either of the parents. Is known as
Back cross.
back cross. In your book, is also using back cross means second version F1 with dominant parent. Is also known as
Back cross.
Back cross.
I was given clarity. Which type of back cross that is dominant back cross. Okay. Okay, na? This is two back cross. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Still any doubt?
Okay, sir, got it.
So polygenic inheritance. Okay. Or multiple genes. Multiple allele is different by multiple genes I am using. They are alleles. Okay, na? Multiple genes inheritance I am using. Or quantitative inheritance. Inheritance. These are the different names we can go. Okay, what is this? Let us see. Mendelian inheritance are qualitative inheritance or monogenic inheritance. No. Mendel laws. Mendelian explanation is related to qualitative inheritance, not quantitative. Here I am talking about quantity. Mendelian Please try to understand. Mendelian inheritance that comes under qualitative or monogenic inheritance. That means here inheritance in which a single dominant gene influences the complete trait. For example, what is this Tala?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
a single dominant gene is completely influencing the character. No?
Yes, sir.
So hence,
Monogenic.
followed up.
Yes.
If a character is decided by many genes,
Polygenic.
Polygenic.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
So in Mendelian, do you come across any intermediate one
No, sir.
in between the both the parents?
No, sir. One will be
No,
done.
sir.
Either tall or dwarf, either violet or white, either terminal or axillary position. Yes or no?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
So that is quality. Only one dominant gene completely influences the trait, a character. Okay, na? And which does not alter the phenotype. Okay, na? It does not alter the phenotype. Even if two alleles are present, two dominant alleles, it is altering the character. Suppose capital T, small t is tall. Suppose it is 100 centimeters height, tall. 100 centimeters tall. Here capital T, it become 200. 200, huh?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
100 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Followed, huh? This is quite opposite part.
Polygenic.
Okay. Now I will switch on to the quantitative inheritance because our topic is related to quantitative inheritance. Here, in this case, inheritance is controlled by generally controlled by 3 or more genes. Inheritance is controlled by how many?
More genes.
3 or more
More.
genes, in which dominant alleles have. In which dominant alleles have cumulative effect. Which effect, Nana?
Cumulative effect.
Which effect? Dominant alleles have cumulative effect. It is a type of inheritance controlled by generally 3 or more genes in which dominant alleles have cumulative effect. Okay, na? With each dominant allele expressing as a part of unit. Each dominant allele is completely expressing it is expressing as a part of
Unit.
unit of the trait or a character. Are you following, please? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Best examples, I will give you. Give me one best example. Kernel color of wheat. So this was first described by Nielsen Hill. Nielsen Hill first described polygenic inheritance in kernel color of wheat. This kernel color of wheat is influenced by 2 pairs of genes. How many pairs, Nana?
2 pairs.
2 pairs of genes. But in the beginning, what I said? Generally, I said. Generally, 3 or more genes. But here I am taking 2 pairs of genes. 2 pairs of genes. So what is the kernel color? Dominant one. Red. This is white. Okay, na? What is the F1 generation?
69, what happened?
Okay, na?
So yesterday we were doing
Yes, sir.
types of joints, isn't it?
What you will expect?
Red.
Red.
Intermediate between.
Red and white.
Then why?
Again revise that.
So what is the interesting feature of polygenic inheritance? This intermediate which is formed, sorry, F1 generation which are formed, they are not looks like both of the parents. They are always
Yes,
in
according
between
to
the
structure,
parents.
they are
Are you following, Nana?
sutures.
Yes.
You got it up, please.
Chi-
Ipudu
Sorry.
RRBB is there. That's why it is giving which color?
Red.
Here RRBB no color, colorless, white. Ardhamena?
Yes,
Here,
sir.
how many are there? How many dominant genes are there?
Two.
Chepu, how many dominant genes are there?
2.
2 are there. Okay, na? So color become
Intermediate.
intermediate. దీన్ని intermediate mulatto అంటారు. ఏమంటారు? What do we call this word is very important. Paper setter they may use. This intermediate F1 they are known as what you call? What you call?
Mulatto.
Mulatto. Okay, na? What you call, please? Mulatto. Now, cell pollination in F2 generation. What are formed due to F2 generation? Chepu?
Red,
F2
intermediate, and white in the ratio of 1:2.
what is formed?
Full red.
Full red.
Any one. Okay, na?
Yes.
Next,
Yes.
Intermediate.
for light. For light red. 4. Next, mulatto. Mulatto, intermediate. Here 1, 4, 6. Next, ఇక్కడ full red. Full red means అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా? Number of dominant genes? Any? 4 ah?
4.
3 ah?
Yes, sir.
2 ah? Here how many number of dominant genes?
3.
Next ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది చెప్పు?
White.
Very light. ఓకేనా? Light red. Very light. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఫుల్ రెడ్, లైట్ రెడ్, ఇంటర్మీడియట్, వెరీ లైట్. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి ఇప్పుడు? కరెక్టా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా? డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ 4 3 2 1. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్
White.
అంటే genotype AABBB జీరోనా?
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏం చెప్పాను డెఫినేషన్ లో, డామినెంట్ అలీల్స్ హ్యావ్
Cumulative effect.
cumulative effect, no?
Yes, sir.
And expressing as a part of the unit of the character, no?
Skeletal muscle.
Yes, sir.
This dominant capital T small t is there by. It is expressing the complete character, no? Try it, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But here A is completely expressing full red,
No, sir.
to a part, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Part of the unit, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
As the number of dominant genes increases, they are contributing their effect, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this effect is also known as cumulative effect, no?
Yes.
Hence, these genes are also known as cumulative genes, no? Can we call these are known as cumulative genes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Huh? Cumulative genes. Because each one is contributing to some extent, no? Not completely, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So hence it is known as a cumulative. These genes are polygenes are also known as cumulative genes because each gene. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నీకు ఏమర్థమైంది? As you are going from left to right, number of dominant genes that goes on.
Decreasing.
As is decreasing, what happened? Contribution to the character is decreasing, no?
Yes, sir.
So another interesting feature, what is that, you know? Always in the polygenic inheritance, intermediates which are formed more in number. ఇప్పటికి చూడు, నువ్వు ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఇంటర్మీడియట్స్ ఆర్ మోర్ ఇన్ నంబర్, నో?
Yes.
ఇక్కడ ఎంత నీకు ఎంత వచ్చింది? ఇక్కడ 1 4 6 అగైన్ దీస్ ఆర్ 4 దీస్ ఆర్ 1. ఓకేనా? 16 ఉన్నాయా? కౌంట్ చేయి. డయాగ్రామ్ క్రాస్ కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
16 are there, no? Out of
Yes.
16, full red how many?
1,
1,
Light red how many?
4,
And intermediate how many?
6,
And very light how many?
4,
4,
And white?
1.
1.
అర్థమైంది కదా? So
Yes,
what you
sir.
understood? Which progenies are more in number always in polygenic inheritance?
Intermediate.
Intermediate. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
The intermediate left side, what is their right side is also same. Okay, na?
Sir.
Intermediate left side, what the number what is present, right side also same. ఇక్కడ 4
Yes, sir.
4 1. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Abhay?
No, sir.
So in the case of monogenic inheritance or qualitative inheritance, the number of phenotypes ఎన్ని వస్తాయినా? monogenic inheritance లో or qualitative inheritance, you tell me how many phenotypes are formed?
2.
Huh? Oh. In
Two.
case of one gene pair, no? One gene pair. ఎన్ని వస్తాయి నాన్న? 2, no? In the ratio of 3:1, correct?
Yes.
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 2 gene pairs.
3.
4.
4 కదా?
4. Yes.
Minus 3.
But here story is different. In polygenic inheritance, in case of one polygenic pair, how many can you expect?
4.
Yes, ma'am. You take. Or this 3. Or this, how many you will get? 5. చూడు ఇక్కడ 5 వచ్చాయా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 4 5. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Trihybrid అయితే 3 gene pair, trihybrid అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పు? 8 ah?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
8. Here for polygenic how many? 9, no?
So, sir, 2 to the power n plus 1 for polygenic.
1. So here total how many? 9. Plus 1 you can take. Okay, na? What is the
Yes.
dihybrid ratio of polygenic inheritance? Dihybrid phenotypic ratio.
9.
1:4
1:2.
6:4 4:1. These are
These two.
phenotypic ratios. No, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you following, Nana?
Yes, sir.
I will give you one more example. This one I will give you. Okay, na? 3 genes. Trihybrid cross. Okay, na? Trihybrid. I will give you. Some examples we discuss. Human and polygenic inheritance also not only influenced by generally by 3 or more genes, also it will interact with the environmental influences also there. Which influence?
Environmental influence.
Environment also influences both the genetic makeup as well as environmental influence. Best example, human skin color. Okay, na? Alright. Human beings are only white and black. Cheppu?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Many shades of skin colors are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So it comes under
Polygenic.
Polygenic inheritance.
human height. Only tall and dwarf, short fellows. Some human beings.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Different ranges of heights are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Different ranges of weight, no? Weight. Everyone is same, 100
No, sir.
kgs, huh?
No, sir.
All IQ is same, for all human beings.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Intelligence. This all comes under examples of
Polygenic
eye color. You see, human beings, different eye colors are there, no? Different shades of eye colors. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These human beings. ఇవన్నీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. Milk and meat production. Milk and meat production in animals. Same, Chippu?
No, sir.
All buffaloes, cows, they give same amount of milk. All goats, they give same amount of flesh. All they will give 5 kgs meat, 5 kgs one bakri, काटे तो उतना ही देता क्या 5 kgs? No, it ranges. So this all comes under
Polygenic inheritance.
Polygenic.
Polygenic inheritance. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose a South African Negro, AABBCC. Okay, na? Who is this fellow?
South African Negro.
Negro. Negro means na very
Dark skin.
dark skin. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very dark skin is because of
All dominant genes.
So it was first human skin color first studied by Davenport. What is the name of the scientist? Davenport. He studied the human skin color that is controlled by how many dominant genes, Nana?
3.
3 types. How many alleles?
6.
6 alleles. And these dominant genes, they synthesizes the A dark color pigment called
Melanin.
Melanin.
melanin. So melanin synthesis is depending upon the number of dominant alleles. Okay, na? Now you tell me the synthesis of melanin is qualitative or quantitative?
Quantitative.
So hence it comes under
Quantitative inheritance.
that is controlled by many dominant genes, no? Hence the name
Polygenic.
or multiple. Okay, na? So a Negro intermarriages in Jamaica with a Malaysian lady. Okay, na? Who is this? A, B, B, C, C. Color?
White.
No, very light. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
A, B, C. Gameta? A, B, C. Gamete. చెప్పండి. A, B, B, C, C. Intermediate?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the word I am using? Intermediate?
Mulatto.
Mulatto. Intermediate. Submating. In the case of plants, we use self-pollination. Here we should use submating. Sure. Due to this, what is formed? Now, can you guess? Can you guess, please? Phenotypes. What type of phenotypes are formed?
One completely dark.
Chippu, correct.
One is light. 4 are light dark.
Very dark. Kada? One very dark. Very dark one. Next, very dark tarvata?
Light.
Niyava, dark.
Dark.
Okay, na? Dark how
Yes.
many?
4.
4.
How many?
6.
Fairly dark. How many?
4.
4.
Niyava, ఊకే 4 ఏంద్రా సచ్చినోడా?
15.
Intermediate, mulatto.
6.
Increase అవుతుంది కదా?
32.
20. ఓకేనా?
Yes.
Total you should get 64 no in trihybrid.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Anana? 4 power 3 no?
Yes, sir.
4 power 3 kada? Trihybrid.
Yes, sir.
So 4 power 3 means 64. Mulatto over. Mulatto tarvata? What is this?
Fairly
Fairly
dark.
dark.
అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలి నేను?
Fairly bright.
Fairly light. How many? చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు.
15.
Next.
Light.
8.
Light. How many?
6.
6.
Very light.
1.
1.
అర్థమైందా? 64 you count it? 64
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very dark means here like this, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Here
Capital, 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 small c, small c.
ఇక్కడ
capital A, capital B, small c, small c.
అర్థమైంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు టెల్ ద నంబర్ డామినెంట్ జీన్స్ ఇలా ఎన్ని 6
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ 5
Five.
నెక్స్ట్ 4
4,
3,
3
3,
నెక్స్ట్
2,
2, 1, 0.
ఇక్కడ 0 అంటే ఏంది? ఏఏ బిబి సిసి నో?
yes, sir.
ఎస్ ఆర్ నో అన్న?
Yes, sir.
So what you understood in polygenic inheritance? +1. Yes or no? Phenotypes? General గా ఎన్ని అవుతాయి రా? 8 అవుతాయి కదా.
Yes, sir.
Tribrid ratio, how many types of phenotypes are formed? 8, no?
8. Yes, sir.
8 types of gamete, 8 phenotypes. Dihybrid ratio, 4 types of phenotypes. Means 4 + 1, 5. Kada? Here,
Yes,
6 + 1, 7 are there, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And always intermediates are,
More
more
in
in
number.
number.
and parental characters are always 1:1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Original parents are always one only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ఈ doubt and you
No.
plot a graph, histogram, you will get a bell-shaped curve. Which shape curve nana?
Bell-shaped curve.
Good. Bell-shaped curve అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంద్రా? జీన్స్ నంబర్ ఎంత ఉంది? ఇది వెరీ డార్క్
1,
1 అంటే ఇట్లా వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్
6,
6. నెక్స్ట్
15,
50,
నెక్స్ట్
20,
20. 20. నెక్స్ట్
15,
నెక్స్ట్
6,
నెక్స్ట్
1.
అర్థమైందా? బిల్ షేప్ కర్వ్ రావట్లేదు.
Yes, sir.
ఎస్సానో
Yes, sir.
దిస్ బిల్ షేప్ కర్వ్. ఓకేనా? ఎనీ డౌటా?
Sir, number of phenotypes, sir?
7. Sorry. How many phenotypes here in this case? 7. You got it?
So it
7
should be 8 + 1, no, sir, 9.
+1. Sorry, somewhere I made this. Correct only 7 only, Nana. Sorry, I made correct only. Yes. Very dark, yes. So you don't apply. Sorry, please. Correct only this. 7 only. 7 only, please. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. It's number of alleles +1, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. And the what type of curve is obtained, Nana?
Bell-shaped curve.
Which shape, Nana? Bell shape.
Bell-shaped.
Bell shape. This you remember, and examples are very, very important. Okay, na? Still any doubts? Please, any doubts?
No, sir.
Still, if you are having any doubts, kindly clarify this. Those examples are very important. You must remember, you must want to remember these examples. Still any more doubts, please, you can ask.
Sir, sir, I have a doubt in the exercise. Page 46, question number 9.
Wait. I will give one problem. Calculate the the sum total of phenotypes and genotypes in F2 generation if it is controlled by 3 pairs of phenotypes. 3 pairs of polygenes.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Calculate the sum total of phenotypes and genotypes in F2 generation if a character is controlled by 3 pairs of polygenes. You are thinking something else.
Sir, 8. Sir.
What I should repeat? How many times I should repeat?
Sir,
Calculate the sum total of phenotypes and genotypes in F2 generation if character is controlled by 3 pairs of polygenes.
the 16, sir.
34 total. Here only I am showing no. Number of phenotypes of polygenes. 2n plus 1 formula. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Number of genotypes of polygenes. Formula 3 to power n. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good number of phenotype polygenes. నీకు ఎన్ని పేర్స్ చెప్పారా?
3 pairs, sir.
3. 2 into 3 plus 1. ఎంత?
7.
7.
7 వచ్చిందా నీకు ఇక్కడ? Three pairs no we have taken.
Yes, sir.
Followed up?
All.
Genotypes 3 power 3. అంటే ఎంత?
27.
27.
Followed up?
What?
ఇప్పుడు 2 gene pairs అంటే phenotypes.
5.
5.
5, sir.
Just before that wheat kernel I explained 5 only you got no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
2n plus 1 అంటే ఎంతరా 2 2s are 4 plus 1. Okay na? This formula you should apply. Okay na?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
For phenotypes what is the formula you should apply?
2n plus 1.
2n plus 1. Okay na?
This is only for polygenes.
Polygenes only by.
Yes, sir.
Polygene phenotypes. Normal phenotypes monogenic 2 power n.
2 power n. Yes.
Still any other doubts?
Sir, number of phenotypes for normal genes is dominant.
Number of progenies adugu. Progenies
Yes, sir.
64.
No, sir.
4 power 3. 4 power n. Okay na?
That's for normal, sir. For normal, sir, like for there is only 2, dominant and recessive.
Ekkada 2 dominant and recessive where? Here.
No, sir. If we had, then total number of phenotypes would be
For
Monogenic.
Okay.
monogenic I have given formula no by. But phenotype, what is the formula was given? Types of
2
phenotype.
power.
Gamete is 2 power n. No?
Yes.
And for the genotypes, 3 power n. No?
Yes.
For
sir.
4 power n. No?
Yes, sir.
So here, what is changed? Genotype is not changed. Number of progenies are not changed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is changed?
Phenotype.
Types of phenotypes are changed. So these types of phenotypes, 2 power n plus 1. Instead of 2 power n, we are adding the plus 1. Okay, na? Yesterday's topic, just you go through it by. Confusion, huh? For monohybrid, how many phenotypes are formed?
2.
2 power 1, no?
Yes, sir.
Dihybrid,
4.
4.
trihybrid.
8.
For here, monohybrid cross for polygenic inheritance.
3.
3.
For dihybrid,
5.
5.
5.
trihybrid.
7.
7.
7.
That only I said. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In your book, there is a one paragraph is there in NCERT and as well as that is same thing is given in the book. Dominance बोल के heading कहा कि explain the concept of dominance is there explanation is there
NCERT, sir.
in NCERT even in the case of Akash the same thing is given. The laws of dominance, law of segregation after that. In Akash, you see, it is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Dominance. I think so. It is given?
It's an explanation of the concept of dominance.
No, just you read that paragraph. Any doubts you ask.
So once can you repeat, sir?
Explanation of the
Yes.
concept of
Page
dominance.
number 8.
8 Ara?
Yes, sir.
8. That you read. Any doubts you ask. Okay. Yesterday I was sent the assignment related to your topics only you solve it. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed, Anana?
Reading, sir.
Make it fast.
Ready.
Any doubts, ask. Any doubts, Nana? Every gene contains information to express a dash
Trait.
particular trait. Yes or no?
Yes.
And diploid organisms having
2 copies.
dash copies of each gene.
2 copies.
2 copies.
They are named as
Alleles.
Alleles.
alleles. Those alleles may be,
Homozygous or heterozygous.
Homozygous.
they may be identical or unidentical. Yes or no?
Yes.
Identical alleles, the dominant one. So this dominant allele means unmodified allele, original gene. Okay, na? Wild gene, original gene, unmodified gene, it converts the substrate into
Product.
And this unmodified gene, which gene, Nana?
Unmodified gene.
Unmodified gene means dominant gene. And this dominant gene, unmodified gene, produces the
Enzyme.
Enzyme.
the enzyme acts on the
Substrate.
and converts into
Product.
product. But sometimes what happens? This natural gene, unmodified gene, due to some reason, it undergoes
Mutation.
mutations. Correct, you are right. Due to mutations, what happens? It undergoes some changes, no?
Yes, sir.
When it is undergone some changes, it modifies the information that it has. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Capital T is there. Out of this is undergone the mutation, change. Actually, this is having information to produce
The enzyme.
enzyme. Yes or no? Then unfortunately, what happened? This become modified into small t. So small t having the information to synthesize the gene, enzyme.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So here substrate product. Here small t producing a enzyme.
No, sir.
Enzyme is producing a no enzyme. So there is no production of T. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Such type of alleles are more, no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose, theoretically, scientists they explain, the modified allele could be responsible for production of what, Nana? normal enzyme or less efficient enzyme. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Less efficient enzyme. Okay, na? Or it may produce
Non-functional enzyme.
no. Third condition,
No enzyme at all.
no enzyme. In both the cases, substrate is not converted into,
Product.
but in this case, substrate is converted into
Product.
product. So that means the mutated allele which is altered, but functional product is formed. Yes or no? Here,
Is
see,
formed.
this is the mutated allele, no?
Yes, sir.
Mutated allele, modified allele. This modified allele is behaving like a
Unmodified allele.
behave like an unmodified allele. Means normal enzyme, less efficient enzyme. That means it behaves like a
Intermediate.
okay, na?
Incomplete codominant. Incomplete or codominant. Yes.
Codominance means completely expressing the character. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Incomplete means partially, less efficient, partially expressing, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Here completely riskless. Okay, na? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is about the concept of dominance. So today you read thoroughly, note down the doubts and the problems which you come across in the material which I was sent. So just you must read. After reading, without solving the MCQs, you do not score better marks. Okay, now please. Iroju, I beg you, each and every student, kindly, you spend some time, thoroughly you prepare and solve the MCQs. Tomorrow you clarify the doubts. Okay, na?
Some doubts are there
Yes,
in
sir.
that MCQ.
What doubts you are having?
Tomorrow they'll ask, sir. There are 3-4.
Why not to know? Madhya Pradesh problem, huh?
No, sir. I have to open that. It will take time.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you can leave, Nana.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Nana.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, Nana.